Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news.
Yemum yantuma no boom 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 yewie boom 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 adia ya pa no aja me dia make obi anim bibia ni wa betima ka asesa matwem ye pe no kre na obi a wo ba wo de asumdwe enukre die
now you ho no mo say Minister of Finance be so 98% complete.
Yeah.
Anya me pa ebu ya bebie ama plane tutu akọ. What you want? And you are talking about what the Baba dream beyond waka.
I don't think it's fair. Because I don't think that is a bit harsh. Marty, very good.
And you know, Jamaica say when we talk of education and education infrastructures, even the access to free senior high school, Krempono, your president the access and now obit me chrome biam so obit me chrome adansa ya boadi obit me chrome adeswa poku chrome mentukwa mofra ahwerewam
mentukwa na wo ho
yes
what did na say we trip
e wo me haye
okay
obit me chrome ho no mo enne ono no wanya disadel ko wanya achimote ko wanya prempa ba na na ka satan na you say ye num bi sare benya bia kwa na enne ye nkura ni nyina ekọ mu wi a masia be gina radio so president mama be former president mama be gina radio so egu school fo nkura ani mu ase egu teacher fo ani mu ase se BC na SSC no mkokọ twere ye no nkura na antimi antwere omu wi am teacher fo no kọ kyere nkura no ekeka chese ke kansem wensem fata batu ni bibi ade ampese me nua te ase ne say it's not about how much you raise your voice, it's about the fact, the substance that you give to the people. That's what it is about. You dey be ma mindful no you be catch ma matie no no because when dey bia me ka say ye de tie ya ka no omo tie akire no 98% of people who are listening to us, no, they know what we are saying more than what we are talking about. They assess. Assembly they assess. We are near see for more. Once a month for Timmy Fre, and as I would say, a month for Emma, me, a month for TA. We have professors. We have doctors, we have lecturers, we have other lawyers or mutia. I have that sort of messages here. As everyone now can hear professor be a type of Ibama. What you say? So let's tell the people what we have done. Met me a catcher will say, Oko ya da ma ya President Kufuor when is here?
A senior high school.
Yes, when is here?
Yeah.
So we must be focused. Young Kadia and Chiro mindful. And only idea I mean we are this for me. Let's tell the people what we have done. Mr. say Miss Solid say ya. Kumase, met me say Kumasi International Airport is here. Met me them in search let's watch Kumasi for. Say, Mummy and Hasonya Day and Traba. Met me a catch Kumasi for say a lot of Mantemu can be brave one more asphalt oval in a day, a coso, Mummy Hasonya Day and Traba. Met me in search so. Met me a catch Ghana for say President Kufuor buy you know. The whole president, the whole Ghana in the Fourth Republic, President was secret to die pa. President Kufuor.
It's true.
Met you catch Ghana for say, Murasun Traba, and the Mimi Kromo, Yupoku Kromo, Wunya Sam Wopoku Kroma, Wuma Slim Makumase. And they are called to see what? Nakaya yes, anyway. And go and check agenda 111. When you say me catch Ghana for, me will be able to say this war. Kwadi Jama kokwe. agenda 111 ni nyina roof ya hyase a ekoso omu ye roof no wire so ya dan ekoso ko sabronum kokko cheke kokko hwe ne ma ekoso sabronum hospital ka sie eno so 98% enkodru by best May ni a commission eno ne me ade amede me nsa kire so a kire me nuanom a wo mo Ahafo no Southeast etu candidate no wa Ahafo no Southeast no manifa ninsa ko kire bibi so former president mama besi ma yan expansion of St. Edward's Hospital Ahafo no Southeast one for ninsa ko kire so bibi so me ya uhunu enne so ba Ahafo no Southeast akura bia say osi and the schools and the trees and the gratitude from Ahafo no Southeast me I can say it on authority say akura bia ni Ahafo no Southeast omra ni fa camera ni akiri akura bia ni Ahafo no Southeast what from esua de akura bia ni ho within 2 years we have provided 2,200 dual desks for the people there. We can call the education director to confirm. When you are there, maybe the researchers will tell for Southeast for so I'm on trouble. Rural electrification. Into term. Pokwase, Amwaku Krom, Edu Krom, Domiabra. Nyame bachire. When the baby I maybe the say kwa chire.
O manyankane.
Yes. When the baby I maybe the say kwa chire. 84 kwa chire baby. Ahafo no Southeast apuna proso bokuruwa omo chip compound health access na ayemra ma wo mo. This is what I am going to show them. So tell your candidate who is at Ahafo no Southeast there one so mra no fa nsa ma kire bibia mama ba odin sa ba so no hwa so ntoaba
one no see me wrap up
when you dey ayekwa ka ho asem me dem say akwa cha so say me buy as a DC. I've given the people there training, tertiary education, not less than 35 of them scholarship. Maybe they say what naso, maybe they say what church so. Graphic in report, I can give you and you show it. Scholarship wa former current city MP. Honorable President Manu Adabo, or the people are from the Southeast. What are DC da? Ewa from the Southeast. Omran for the summer chile. Ono so ba ye no enkwa wotua mu school fees so no mo hwe so toaba omra no fa de mesa be church so ekrobia light wo hobia no we have been able to make sure say light no ya fix street light ya be pobia bi wo so catch your candidate no have for Southeast ni say omra na se wato bob ba ku mpo sei a se kro timu abeso nzo ngo na ote wo no wato bob ba ku pe sei e dia kwakwa che ho no ma on ka no mo hwe so nto ba ma no.
All right, honorable, so mama Kokuma Mintio.
Oman.
Yes, my brother.
Say Papa in some now wakana ankasa no mama hu ba bi etiri You see finally what the baby have for no sati me DC.
No, but